were delighted that on this AirAsia flight from Manila to Tagbilaran, our flight path took us over the Chocolate Hills, the most famous tourist attraction of Bohol. The Chocolate Hills are prominent geographical features on the island of Bohol in the Philippines that have naturally formed over millions of years. They change color over the course of the year as the seasons change, lush in the rainy season, turning tawny brown in the dry season, and hence they have been named the Chocolate Hills. There are 1,700 mounds across 50 square kilometers, rising as high as 400 feet.
We have just landed at Tagbilaran Airport. Welcome to Tagbilaran. The time now is 35 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. On behalf of Captain Bernie Perez, First Officer Andrew Alejandro, Cabin Crew Queenie, Jonah, Ashley, and myself, Lorla, saying thank you for choosing AirAsia and have a pleasant day.
For your safety, please remain seated and use of mobile phone is not allowed until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments. Before leaving the aircraft, please check the key of all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. Thank you.
各位乘客、女士们、先生们，为了安全起见，在安全带指示灯没有熄灭之前，不要解开安全带离开座位，并请在机舱门开启后才可以开启移动电话或电子用品电源。同时，在打开座位上方的行李柜时，请特别留意，以免行李滑落下来。下机时，请不要忘记您的所有物品及手提行李。我们感到非常荣幸能为您服务，希望在不久的将来能再一次与各位见面。抵达后，如果您需要任何协助，请联络我们的地勤人员。
We just arrived in Tagbilaran. Luggage. What's up? You made it back to Bohol, Kogoki. Are you happy? So we just have one check-in luggage. After that, we're meeting my driver. His name's Claro. I used him the last time. He has the best rate to get from Tagbilaran Airport to Alona Beach, which is where our hotel is. We're staying at the Alona Vida. So he's here already. He just texted me. He's a very good driver and he has a new car. So it's 500 pesos one way to go from Tagbilaran Airport all the way to Alona Beach, which is I think around 20 kilometers away. That's a good 20 to 30 minute drive. Okay, waiting for our luggage. In this episode, we introduce you to our favorite private driver in Bohol. His name is Claro. You can book him for transfers from the airport or for whole-day countryside tours at the best rate. His contact details will be in the description of this video. At this point in time, a transfer from Tagbilaran Airport to Alona Beach is 500 pesos or $10 and took around 25 minutes.
Let's go.